Arthur, this week broke my brain in a good way. Lambda scales itself, Kubernetes heals itself, the machines fix the machines. So what's even left for a human to do at 3 a.m.?
Knowing anything's wrong in the first place. The machines can fix what they can see. Your job is seeing everything else. Today, monitoring and alerts.
You promised me smoke detectors on Wednesday.
I undersold it. A smoke detector only screams after the fire. What you really want is a hospital vital signs monitor, watching the patient's pulse every second, calling the doctor only when it counts.
My app is the patient. Okay, I'm listening. What are the vital signs?
First, 3 ways to watch any patient. Metrics, the live numbers on the screen. Pulse, blood pressure, ticking every second. Logs, the patient's diary. What happened in words, line by line. Traces, following one patient through every department to find where they got stuck.
Metrics, logs, traces, and today?
Metrics, the live numbers, because there's a famous shortlist. If you could watch only 4 numbers on the whole monitor, the industry agrees which 4. Google wrote them down and called them the golden signals.
4 vital signs for any app. Hit me.
1. Latency. How long a request takes to answer. The patient's reaction time. Slow is the first sign of sick.
2.
Traffic. How much demand is hitting you. Requests per second. How hard the heart is working right now.
3. And let me guess it's the scary one.
Errors. The rate of requests that fail. Every red light on the board. 1 is noise. A rising line is an emergency.
And 4?
Saturation. How full you are. How close to the limit. A patient at 99% lung capacity isn't down yet, but they're 1 cough from it.
Latency, traffic, errors, saturation, that's weirdly the whole picture.
That's why they're golden. Watch those 4, and you catch almost anything before your users feel it. Miss them, and you find out from angry tweets.
So who draws this monitor screen? I'm not staring at a terminal all night.
A tag team. Prometheus is the tireless nurse. Every few seconds it walks the ward and reads each service's vitals off a little /metrics chart on the wall. Grafana is the glowing wall of screens that turns those readings into graphs a human can actually read.
Prometheus collects, Grafana displays, and the cost?
Prometheus graduated from the Cloud Native Foundation, same home as Kubernetes. Grafana's open source too. The whole vital signs monitor costs 0 to start. Quick pause. If those 4 signals just handed you a map of your own app, that's the channel working. Subscribe. Thursday is DevOps Day, the glue that holds the whole week together.
He only plugs it when it's earned. Okay, the monitor's drawing pretty graphs, but I'm asleep. How does it wake me?
Alerts. You draw a line. Latency over 1 second. Errors above 1%. And when a signal crosses it, the monitor pages you. That's the beep.
There's my smoke detector.
And here's the hard-won lesson. The one that made your metaphor too small. The enemy isn't missing an alarm. It's too many alarms.
Alert fatigue. The nurse who's heard the monitor cry wolf 400 times and stopped looking up.
Exactly. So the golden rule of alerting. Every page must be urgent, actionable, and real. If you'd shrug and ignore it, it should not wake you. If a robot could handle it, it should not wake you.
Page a human only when a human is needed. Everything softer goes on the dashboard, not the phone.
And page on symptoms, not causes. The patient can't breathe, wakes the doctor. One sensor reads slightly low, is a note for the morning. Alert on what users feel. Land it this whole serverless week in 3.
Monitoring is your app's vital signs monitor, metrics, logs, and traces. And the 4 golden signals are latency, traffic, errors, and saturation. Prometheus is the nurse taking readings, Grafana is the wall of screens, and both are free and open source. Alerts are the beep that wakes you, but only for things urgent, actionable, and real. Fewer, better alarms beat a screaming board that everyone ignores.
Perfectly monitored. Tomorrow closes serverless week with Azure's Chef, Azure Functions, the third serverless twin. Same idea, one more name tag.
The mirror strategy's last lap. See you tomorrow.